Sunday, the 23rd of November, 2025, about 10:35. I'm sorry, 9:35. Maybe about 60 degrees. Let's see what it is. 62 degrees. Going to about 70, 72 today, 73. Down to in the 40s tonight. About the same thing tomorrow, but a little warmer. Maybe Tuesday night. We're going to check on some, unless they've been cut down, some ginkgo trees here in Athens. In the fall of the year, they turn, ginkgo trees turn a really brilliant yellow. And they've got fan-shaped leaves with lines and grooves in them. They're really interesting textured leaves and colors. Very dramatic yellow color. I don't have a scanner hooked up to anything anymore, but I like scanning these leaves. Put a black backdrop and then put these leaves, arrange them on the scanner board and scan them high resolution. They make some very nice scan art, digital art. We're turning left on Danielsville Road. I think this is going to turn into North Avenue, I think. So we'll be going into Athens from the north side. A lot of sewer taps out there, thinking apartments. Could be townhomes, no sign out there to tell. Get it? You must need to be somewhere in a hurry this Sunday morning. Just to run up at the red light, have to slow down, hit the brake, or we just coast up and then have to use the brake and all. Crossing over the loop, west to the right, east to the left. Get on down the road. Gas is running around $2.90, $2.99, $2.79 cash. I would have thought it would come down a little bit. We ought to be out of the summer blend, which is usually more expensive, if I'm not mistaken. Crossing over the North Oconee. We're in the 2019 Express Van 3500. We're getting an average economy miles per gallon of 16.1. It is driving and riding very good. planning on putting the ladders on it that we got, that we brought back from my daughter's house, and just trying to sell the ladders and the van. Get out of debt completely. Well, I guess we're out of debt now. We've got this secured, so whatever. But large homeless population in Athens, and this is a sort of a hub for it, I guess. A couple of these railroad trestles are so low we can't go under. We have to be careful of these places. We're not that high. We need about 8'6", a good 8'6" to 9 to clear. With the ladder racks up there. There's a ginkgo tree right there, isn't it? There's a parking lot up here that is lined with them, and we will hopefully we'll be able to pull in that parking lot and then get some stills and some video of them. And see, they're dropping the leaves. Once they start dropping leaves, they usually drop them pretty quick. But we'll go up and cross over 78. It should be, I think, on that corner of 78, or maybe the next street down. We're recording this with the S22 Ultra. (16:9) aspect ratio, 1920 by 1080 resolution, full high definition. I think 30, maybe 60 frames a second. I don't know. We did increase the resolution to get better quality video. And of course, it takes longer to upload unless we have a good 5G connection. We can beat this next light here. All right, stick that nose out there. Okay, we started the camera back up, but it we hit a bump and it cut itself off. There's still a little green in these. And somebody turned in the parking lot right behind us. What are y'all doing? We want to collect a few of these leaves. I like that. Let's get a snapshot of those steps. Yeah, some of these have already lost their, almost all of their leaves. Let's go up to this upper level. We may come back down here and see about collecting some of these. I guess we're a little bit late for them, but there's still a little green on them. Yeah, see, most of them have already shed their leaves. Well, you can see the character of the tree itself. You can see its personality. There are some really nice ones up around Decatur and Atlanta area that I know about. Let's go down to that other level again and pick up a few of those leaves, and then what y'all want to do? You want to go through Athens morning after game day or you want to skirt Athens. What do y'all want to do this morning? I'm open to anything. Let's get a picture of this. Well, we'll get out and get it. Shadow amongst the leaves. They just blanket the ground. I wonder if there'd be some way we could incorporate these in with our cedar stuff. Little cedar trees and lichen. Deer moss. We gotta find some other stuff for our autumn, whatever we're gonna call this thing. Holiday something. This is awesome. I mean, this thing is awesome. I mean, this is awesome. I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna cut it off and have this sticking up like some kind of mountain or something or other. It's got some itty bitty snail shells on it. Itty bitty. Well, they're tiny. Okay, well we'll see how long this is. We may wrap this one up and start uploading it.